wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We will explain Chapter 1, Decimal Numbers, Addition and Subtraction, Part 1. At the end of this period, students will be able to differentiate between negative and positive numbers, identify a decimal number, compare two signed numbers, using calculation the rule of addition of two decimal numbers of the same sign, use in calculation the rule of addition of two decimal numbers of opposite signs. Please prepare the following materials. Some information from grade 6. Sign. It may be positive plus or negative minus. Whole number is a number without a decimal point. Whole number, or it is said integers. It may be positive integers, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. Negative integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. And 0 is an integer without a sign. Now, decimal number. Look for examples. 4.003 minus 3.01, 21.0. So decimal number is the sum of two parts, the whole part and the decimal part. Look for this example. 4 is the whole part, 003 is the decimal part. Decimals. Definition. Numbers with limited number of digits after the decimal point are called decimal numbers. Examples. Minus 2.54 is a decimal number. Why? Look for the decimal part. It is limited. The division is ended. Plus 23.1254 is a decimal number. Look for the decimal part. It is limited. The division is ended. 1/9 it's equal to 0.111. Look for the decimal part. It is unlimited. The division is not ended. Then it is not a decimal number. 22/7 equal 3.142, etc. Look for the decimal part. It is not ended. It is unlimited. Then this is not a decimal number. Remark. The sign plus can be put or removed before the numbers. You can put the sign plus or you can remove it. But the sign negative cannot be removed. You should put the negative sign. Comparing decimal. Activity page 5 on the book. This is the thermometer. In spring, the temperature in Lebanon ranges between 15 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. These temperatures are shown on the thermometer above 0. Look here, this is 0. This is the temperatures above the 0, they are of positive signs, and the temperatures below 0, they are of negative signs. Please pause this video and try to solve the application. 1. Use integers to write the temperatures. 4 below 0, it is minus 4. 4 below 0, minus 4. 1 above 0, it is plus 1. Minus 5, this is minus 5. Write the temperature that could be responsible for each. Classroom, 25. A hot summer day, 34. Ice, 0. Copy and complete using is warmer than or is colder than. 3 degrees Celsius is colder than 11 degrees Celsius since 3 is smaller than 11. Minus 4 degrees Celsius is colder than 0 degrees Celsius. 1 degree Celsius is warmer than minus 5 degrees Celsius. 4. At the Cedars, the temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius, while in Zahli, it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Which of these temperatures is higher? Minus 2 degrees Celsius is higher than minus 10 degrees Celsius since it is nearest to 0. 5. Can you say that in going from the bottom up on the thermometer, the closer you get to 0, the higher the temperature is? Yani my students, if you got up to 0, the temperature become higher? Yes. Now comparing decimals. Look here for the number line. This number line, this is 0. These are the negative numbers and these are the positive numbers. Point A is of abscissa minus 3. Point B is of abscissa plus 3. Point C is of abscissa 10.2. Now comparing numbers of different signs. The two numbers are of different signs. All numbers to the left of 0 are less than 0 and less than any number to the right of the 0. Example, minus 2 less than 0, 0 less than 2, minus 2 less than 2, 1 greater than minus 4. So, the negative numbers are less than 0 and less than the positive numbers. Now comparing numbers of negative signs. The two numbers are of negative signs. The further the number away from 0 to the left, the smaller it is. As the number becomes further from 0, it becomes smaller. And as it is become nearest to 0, it becomes greater. Example, minus 7 less than minus 2, since minus 7 is further than minus 2 from 0. Minus 1 greater than minus 5, since minus 1 is nearest to 0 than minus 5. Application. Compare by adding less than, greater than, or equal. Please pause this video and try to solve the application. Solution. 7.8 greater than 5.3, minus 5 greater than minus 7, 0 greater than minus 10, minus 7 less than 5, and 5.1 is greater than minus 5.1. Addition of decimals. Activity page 6 on the textbook. Look for the number line. There is a B. A B is at minus 2. It moved 3 centimeter to the right. Look here, minus 2, I will move 3 centimeter. 1, 2, 3. Then the B is at plus 1. We can write this movement as minus 2 plus 3. It is equal to plus 1. Please pause this video and try to solve the application. Solution. If AB is at minus 2 and moved 5.4 centimeter to the right, indicate the abscissa of the point reached by the B. The B is at minus 2. It moved to the right 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4.5, then it is 2.5. Look here, minus 2 plus 4.5, it's equal to plus 2.5. B, if the B is at minus 1 and moved 5.2 to the right, then minus 1 plus 5.2 equal plus 4.2. C, if the B is at plus 2 and moved 2.3 to the left, يعني على الماينس left, it means minus. Then plus 2 plus minus 2.3, it is minus 0.3. D, if the B is at minus 1, 2.6 centimeter to the left, يعني to the minus. Minus 1 minus 2.6 equal minus 3.6. 3.4 centimeter to the right, يعني plus. Minus 1 plus 3.4 plus 2.4. 5.5 centimeter to the left, يعني شو minus. Then minus 1 minus 5.5 equal minus 6.5. Sum of numbers with the same sign. The two numbers are of the same sign. The sum of two negative decimal numbers has a negative sign. Its value is the sum of the two values without sign. The sum of two positive decimal numbers is a positive. If the two numbers are of the same sign, you should put the sign and add the two numbers. Look here, plus 2 plus 12, the same sign. We put the plus and we add 2 plus 12, 14. Minus 5 minus 8, the same sign. We put the sign minus and we add 5 plus 8 equal 13. Sum of numbers with different sign. The sum of two numbers with different sign has the sign of the number further away from 0, the greater value. Its value is the difference between of the two numbers without a sign. Example, look here my students, minus 8 plus 1, different sign. Minus 8 is further than 0, then we put its sign minus and we subtract. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Plus 9 minus 3, plus 9 is further than 0. Then we put the sign and we subtract. 9 minus 3 equal 6. Application, please pause the video and try to solve the application. Minus 2.5 plus 1.5. 2.5 is further than 0. Then we put minus and we subtract. Minus 7 minus 9.2, same sign. Put the sign and add. Plus 2 plus 0.3, same sign. Put the sign and add. Plus 2 minus 1.6. Plus 2 is further than 0. We put a plus and we subtract 0.4. This is your assignment. Summary. Comparing decimals, negative sign. If in negative numbers, the greater number is the one closer to 0. Minus 5.2 greater than minus 7.1. And minus 8.2 less than minus 2.9. Different signs, all numbers to the left of 0 are less than 0 and less than any number to the right of 0. 0 greater than A, then A is negative. 0 greater than minus 5.5. A greater than minus B, A and B are positive. 4.1 greater than minus 8.3. Adding decimals of same sign, add the numbers and keep the sign. Plus 5 plus 5.2 plus 10.2 minus 12.1 minus 7 minus 19.1. Of different signs, subtract the numbers and take the sign of the number further from 0. 14.5 minus 10 equal plus 4.5 minus 23.5 plus 20 equal minus 3.5.